What's up, you guys? Check it out. It is the Rhinestone Ruler Cube Kit. You're going to learn 6 fill patterns. You're going to learn how to calculate how many stones on your items. Let's glue into it.
So not only the 6 lessons of the fill patterns, you're going to get a bonus lesson on, well, I'm going to leave that secret. You'll find out once you take the course. And this is also your math, your how to calculate, your calculation of stones. And it's a pretty fantastic class. Lots and lots of information. So what's in the kit for this project? You're going to get let's start at the bottom, a small Crystal Ninja work mat to help you flip your stones. You're going to get a mixed pack of clear, a full pack of SS20s, 1,440 pieces. And then you'll get a full pack of SS8, 1,440 pieces. So that's your crystals for the project. And then you're also going to get a full tube of Fusion Tack glue from Super Tight, a Crystal Ninja Precision tip bottle with tip and pin, and oh, that's extra. And then also a paper template. The paper template does actually stay in your lid there, so that's your template for when you start doing your top part. So these are all the things that come in your kit. And oh, the most important thing, a Crystal Katana tool. So that's everything that you need to get started. You're going to have to open the glue here. You just simply open this, it's ready to go. And then for your precision glue bottle, you're going to twist the top off, squeeze the glue inside. You can then toss this away. Your precision tip is going to be a different bag, a little separate bag. You're going to have to grab some craft scissors and cut the tip of this bottle off. You want to not cut past this ridge, so only cut the very, very edge of that tip off, and then that way it's not going to be too low. And then the metal tip is going to be a tension twist. You just press it on with some pressure, and then there's a pin that's also included, so always keep that inside. And the way I store this, I literally keep it laying down on my desk at all times. So that's how that works. So you'll need to provide scissors to cut this open, and then also if you have little lip gloss applicators or some kind of Q-tip, it's helpful. Not necessary, but it's helpful. And then if you, for later down the road, after many months of using this, if you start to get lots of clogs in here, or you live in a very, very dry environment, sometimes the glue can get a little gunky inside, and I like to soak that in some super, super hot water for a long time. And then you can get these little brushes for braces and things, and then you can clean that out. So it's wonderful little things to have. It's not in your kit, but it's a great thing to have. And so that's your kit. And when you're finished, you will have something that looks a lot like this, right? Super fun project. So let's glue into it.